TLM Toys First. Today I'm going to do a review of Blume dolls. So the Blume dolls had squishy hair. So if you look on its right, it will show the two dolls that you can collect. At the right side, it will show how to plant it. So you just add water inside the watering can on the top, and then it will reveal the doll. Let's open this can and see how it looks. So on the top you see that there's a watering can and there's the sheet. So let's check the sheet. So this side, it has the things that you can collect. On the other side, it has the instructions. So now let's see what we've got. First step is to remove the pink label. And it includes stickers, so we'll need water on here. Next step is to sprinkle water evenly. So we'll need to spread water around. I think I'll need more water. Ugh. So now I can peel it. So it looks like we got this. Let's see her name. We got Cammy, says. Cammy, yeah, we got Cammy. The next step is we need to remove. So I think we'll need to open it and then get to remove this top. So now let's see the surprises. We've got these stickers. And then now let's peel this open, and I'm gonna get the tape out. This tape out. And it includes a bag for the doll, and it also includes a stand so she can stand up. So second surprise is that we can peel this open. And we've got this flower so we can be with it. And the clothes are in here. So it looks like these are just clothes. So now we'll put them on. So here's Cammy with all her accessories on. So she includes a bag and these pair of shorts and these shoes. Also her hair can also get off. It'll be easier if I remove the stand so the hair can also get off like that. So this is where you can store the mirror, and this is where you can store the clothes. So this can be the house of the doll.